show, okay?
Okay.
Yes, dale, sí. Oh.
If you're in San Diego and you're looking for a good place to eat, I got you. From Greek desserts like lukomades or baklava soft serve to packed Mediterranean bowls and loaded fries, Nick the Greeks got you covered.
Chef, you do the training.
Yes. There you go. Pico onion, hamas, the tune. Yeah, beautiful.
This is the Mediterranean bowl. So Greek food, you know, they're known for grains, healthy fats. I'm gonna tell myself these are all healthy fats. And that makes me feel better. Okay, now we're gonna move forward with the dessert. Oh, it's fluffy. It's light, it's airy, it's fluffy, it's not too sweet. It's like a fancier funnel cake. And it has that nice chew from the syrup soaking in the top layer, the crispy layer. Nice crunch from the walnuts. Oh yeah. And then now the chocolate. Ooh.
They're very light.
Between the two, I actually love the original. Last one for dessert. Cheers.